Hi, my name is Erky Corpus. I am with the Henry Samueli School of Engineering and Applied Sciences, and I am a academic counselor.
Hi, I'm James Washington, and I'm also with Henry Samueli School of Engineering and Applied Sciences, and I'm also an academic counselor.
So for undergraduates in the School of Engineering, in terms of like how long it would take them to graduate, they all should be able to do it in 4 years. Our curricula are designed where even if you're not coming in with any AP credits and any transfer credit, and even if you don't go to summer school, you should be able to graduate in 4 as long as most of the time you are taking 4 classes per quarter and obviously you're passing your classes and things like that. For a transfer student, it depends on the major and it depends on where you went to school, like community college, but I would say some can do it in 2, but most of them can finish in less than 3.
So right now we have change of major workshops. We typically offer 2 a week, especially at the beginning of the quarter. And you can sign up for those change of major workshops on our website, seasoasa.ucla.edu. You go to undergraduates, you'll see change of major listed there, and it'll teach you how to sign up for one of our change of major workshops. And basically what we do is we review the steps needed to take before we change your major into one of our engineering majors. And then you'll also be able to have a one-on-one conversation if you decide to stick around with the counselor.
Yeah, tons. As you probably know, UCLA is a research university and engineering is no different. So all of the faculty in the School of Engineering do research, and they all have undergraduates working for them. I know one concern that I always hear is that, how do we compete with grad students for spots? The thing is, you're not competing with graduate students for spots. They have spots for grad students, they have spots for undergraduates. So all the departments do them. You can sign up for credit for the research you do, either through a course numbered 99 or 199. And for some of our departments, I know, for example, materials engineering and also bioengineering and computer science, you are allowed to use a 199 research experience to satisfy a major requirement. And for other majors, you would still be able to get the credit for the course you took, but it won't satisfy an actual requirement. But, you get a grade for it. You need to write a paper each quarter that you do research, but it's something that students find to be valuable.
I would say one of the biggest ones is that we receive from students outside of engineering. It's impossible to get into engineering or computer science. That's one of our more popular majors. They also think it's impossible to get computer science courses. And once you're within the School of Engineering, it's not impossible to get courses or to graduate or to even get in. I think you just have to meet the basic qualifications. But that's the biggest question I think I'd get is how hard it is to get into engineering. I think the grades that we require are basically what our students typically make. Yeah. Did you hear anything different, Erky?
I agree. I think a big question is like getting into classes and can you graduate? Actually, here's one that we get a lot. Can I go abroad as an engineering major? Like, I heard it's impossible. I heard you're not allowed to. You absolutely can go abroad, but the key is to plan early. The easiest time for a student to go abroad is during the summer, because in the summer you're not missing a winter or a fall or a spring. But if you really want to go during the school year, then that's something we can work out. And obviously we're in a very different world right now than we were a year ago. So, study abroad hopefully is something that can be done in the future. The number one place is our website, and our website is www.seasoasa.ucla.edu. Again, it's seasoasa.ucla.edu. That's the Student Affairs Office. That's where you'll find all of the resources, whether you want to know like how to change into the major, or if you're in engineering, you want to switch within majors, or if you're already in engineering, you just want to know like what are the classes I'm supposed to take, or like how do I find out about internships, or how do I find out about research? All of that will be on the website. So definitely go check it out. And then, we have a physical office. So once we are back, we are also in Boulder Hall, 6th floor.